Okay, go ahead. What do you got?
iOS 17 is going to support sideloading. What do you think?
Europe. Thanks to Europe. There's been like a ongoing battle over there, right? They're trying to kind of, I guess, maneuver so that Apple has to follow certain regulations and has to sort of kiss the ring a little bit in Europe specifically. And we talked about the cable and obviously software, probably even a bigger deal because it has implications for the likes of Epic and all those ongoing battles around who gets to control this. Sideloading obviously means you go ahead and install stuff that's not on the App Store, otherwise known as sideloading. The change would allow customers to download apps without needing to use the App Store, which would mean developers wouldn't need to pay Apple's 15 to 30% fees. The European Union's Digital Markets Act, which went into effect November 1, 2022, requires gatekeeper companies to open up their services and platforms to other companies and developers. I mean, it would basically behave like your MacBook. It would warn you. It would probably say, hey, or like Android. Hey, are you sure you want to install this thing? Like, it did not come from our App Store. And then you would just click yes, and next thing you know, you're sideloading. Now, does this have immediate implications for the U.S.? No, not immediate. However, now they're going to look at something like this and consider some legislation that may allow the same thing to happen in the U.S., which, of course, would be enormous. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.